JCB 214 Series 2 Backhoe here, 4-wheel drive, open cab, Extend-A-Hoe in the back. It's got a 24-inch digging bucket on it. It also has auxiliary hydraulics in the back. Good brakes on it, good tires all the way around. Got a good front loader bucket, nice rear bucket. Got a few little leaks on it, need to be taken care of. A couple of odd and minor things, but not too bad for an older unit. Extend-A-Hoe working. A little hand throttle in the back is not working properly. I think it needs a cable or something. That's a pretty simple fix. JCB 214 Series 2 4-wheel drive, Extend-A-Hoe, auxiliary hydraulics in the back. Open cab unit.